Hey family, this is my final look. If you would like to get this look, then please stay tuned. Now, as for the lip, this color won't be in this video because this was a mistake. It's not really what I was really going for. But this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys like this look. And this makeup look is for Valentine's Day. So for all of you who are looking for a face to do on Valentine's Day, honey, look no further. Okay, look no further. Stop right here. Pause. Get ready. Get you some popcorn. Sit it down. Take notes. And get ready to get this Valentine's look, honey. Yes. Yes. Ow. Watch me go from womp 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 to from ashy to classy. From ashy to whew. Okay guys, so this is let's begin. So guys, I've already primed my lids and my eyebrows are pretty much done. I'm going to take the Nomad palette. This came in a Ipsy box, Ipsy bag, not sure, whatever. So in this palette, I'm just going to be using this color here. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, go ahead and apply this color all over my, just watch. I am shaping an outer V look and dragging it in. This will be my transition color and will help me to blend in all the other colors. Okay. Okay guys, so now that both eyes are blended out for the transition color, I'm going to go ahead in with another palette. This is the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette, and it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So this is the palette here, and I received this palette in one of my BoxyCharm boxes, which was late, but that's okay. I'm going to take the Morphe E28 brush. It's just a dome shape shading brush. And I'm going to go in with the color Fade. And I'm going to apply that in my crease area. You guys don't judge me. My face was not ready, okay? Next color on the lid area, going back in with that Ace Beauty, into that Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. I'm going to take the Grand Canyon color here, and I'm just grabbing this flat shader brush, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid area. Let's take this orange color, they call this the color Horizon, with that same brush, and I'm just going to place this on the back half of the lid, like right here. It's not all the way to the corner, but just right here. I'll show you guys. And just pat that in. Try not to get too close to the inner area. If you do, just go back into that color Grand Canyon. Just go back into color Grand Canyon, flip it up, flip your brush over, and apply that there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to this lid as well as this lid off camera, and I'll be back. Now that the eyelids are pretty much done, I'm going to go ahead and line my lids with the Physicians Formula, and this is in the color Ultra Black. going to be using the Amore Us number 117 lashes that look like this. It's supposed to be like 100% human hair. I got these from my local beauty supply. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them down and glue them on off camera, and I'll be back. So now that I have my lashes on and my liner, I am going to go ahead and apply concealer. This is the color 430 in medium, and I'm going to go ahead and place this underneath my eye area just to brighten up the dark circles and discoloration that I have underneath my eyes. Yes. I'm taking my damped beauty blender and I'm going to go ahead and blend out underneath my eye area. Don't forget to blend, honey. Blend, blend, and blend. Blend some more. You done? Blend more. You done? Keep blending, honey. Blend your life away, okay? Okay guys, now that I have placed the concealer all underneath my eyelid area, I'm going to go ahead and take this Laura Mercier powder, loose powder, with that same blending brush. Remember, my blending brush is damped, not a lot, but so I'm going to go ahead and pick that up. Disregard my fingers, just pick that up from there, and then I'm just going to go ahead and set where I place the concealer. Guys, I'm going back into that palette, and now we're going to move on to the lower lid area. So I placed my concealer and then set it with powder. Now I'm just going to go back underneath the eye and add the shadow underneath there. And again with Grand Canyon with that same flat shader brush that I used earlier. And I'm just going to fluff this. So now I'm going in with that same orange color using that same brush and just sweeping that across really. Hey guys, so I'm taking the E24 brush. It's just a pencil dome head looking brush, and I'm just going to go back into that color fade and apply this on underneath my right here. And bring that up in the corner so it all kind of blends or ties together, if that makes sense. All right, just watch me. Okay, Alright, so I'm going back into that Ace Beauty palette with the color brush, just a smudging brush. And I'm going to go ahead and take that red or that gleam and place it in the inner tear duct area. I'm going to go ahead and move on to my face. I'm going to go ahead and apply powder foundation. I'm taking this L'Oreal True Match, and this is in the color N6.5 in the color neutral, in the neutral tone, and it basically just looks like this. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab this fluffy brush just to apply all over my face. I still have not wiped off the powder that's underneath my eyes. I will go ahead and do that in a minute. Actually, I'm not even going to wipe it off. I'm going to go ahead and put this powder foundation all over my face before I do any other step. Now, if you were like going out, like you would put on primer first. I'm taking this foundation stick, and this is by Black Radiance, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply my contour like so, and then just blend it out. Just placing it where I see fit. I'm going to grab this Real Techniques brush, and it's just a sculpting angle brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and buff out the areas where I applied the foundation. Okay guys, so I'm taking this Morphe R32 brush. It's just a dome, blending the dome brush. It's just a dome brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend out my nose. I'm going to go ahead and take this Park Ave Princess palette by Tarte, and I am going to be using the color Angel with this Morphe 104 brush. It's just an angle brush that looks like this. I'm just going to go ahead and dip in Angle. Did I say Angel or Angle? There's an Angel watch. I'm going to go into Angle and go ahead and buff out the areas where I place my contour at. Alrighty, so I'm going back into this palette, and I'm going to grab a Sun, and I'm just grabbing this little tiny dome brush, and I'm just going to place this in the inner tear duct area. Okay ladies, so now I'm going to go in with some blush, and I'm taking the Laura Geller blush, and this is called Tropic Hues with the Morphe R2 brush. It looks like this. Forgive my brushes, I know I need to clean them, but we're gonna create this look, honey, and then I'll clean them, okay? So I'm just gonna apply this on the apples of my cheek. Yes, honey, yes. Can you see it? I'm playing with you guys. Joke's on me. Anyways, okay, so just add your blush and blush on, darling. Blush, blush, blush away. Now we're going to add the highlight to the highlighted areas. I'm taking this fluffy highlighting brush, or this is the Morphe E61. It's the highlighter brush for today. I'm taking Too Faced Cosmetics, and this is in the color Fancy Diamond Pink. That looks like this. Ooh. this is the final eye look. So let me go ahead and spray. Guys, please don't forget to be sexy, beautiful, and cool on Valentine's Day. Ow. Guys, this is my Valentine's Day sweater. This actually came out on Valentine's Day last year. And yeah, I'm wearing it again this year. Please don't forget to hit the like button, as well as leave me a comment in the section below, as well, just to say hi and hey. I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Yes. Ow.